Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with RemoBell S, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use RemoBell S.
They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.
Introducing August Doorbell Cam Pro, a smart doorbell that lets you see and speak with visitors right from your phone. The August Doorbell Cam features a full HD camera and built-in floodlight, so you can see your guests at night.
Hey, it's me.
I'm sorry, I'm running late. Let me let you in.
The August Doorbell Cam connects to any August smart lock, so you can remotely unlock and lock the door for guests. Now you can control and monitor your front door from anywhere. As soon as motion is detected, the floodlight will activate, always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests. And you'll receive an instant alert on your phone, so you can see or speak to whoever's there. If you missed the live video, don't worry. August video recording and hindsight technology captures every activity from the beginning to the end and stores it for free in the app for up to 24 hours. August Doorbell Cam works in any home with an existing wired doorbell, available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Doors have protected our homes, businesses, and loved ones, and it's time we fortify them even further. Meet Door Cam, the world's first and only over-the-door camera with inside Wi-Fi connection, motion detection, two-way talk, video recording, and night vision. This is Sarah, and she lives in an apartment. Door Cam is a great fit for Sarah because all she has to do is hang it over the door. No wires, no holes. It also gives her the peace of mind knowing who's on the other side of the door.
Can I help you?
Hi, do you have a minute to take a quick survey?
Sorry, not interested. Have a nice day.
And while she's at work, she can see what's happening at home.
Hi, I'm Jim with the Hamilton Company. I'm here to fix your window.
Great. The key's under the mat.
Found it.
And if she needs to move, she can take Door Cam with her. Door Cam is also a great fit for people who own homes. Meet Sam. Sam runs an ice cream shop and uses Door Cam to keep an eye on things at home while he's away at work. And it allows him to see this, this, and this.
Dad, look what I can do.
Oh, wow, that is so cool. Okay, I'll see you soon, buddy.
And for those times that Sam can't be in two places at once, he has extra help to keep an eye on things.
Hey, what are you doing?
Door Cam, the easiest way to secure your home, business, or anywhere with a door.